Hello, class 7. I hope you all are good and taking care of yourself. Students, I hope you all are improving your habits. As I told you in last video, to improve something, to help by doing something new, by helping your parents, by helping your mother, by helping your grandparents, or by watering plants, you can do. Okay, because these days you are staying at home, you can do all these things. Okay, now let me ask some question. If you are interested in gardening, what did you do for that? Are you keeping your room clean? Are you keeping your clothes, your books and your shoes in their places? Are you helping your parents? How did you help your mother? Okay, you will mention with this assignment. This time while sending assignment, you will mention what did you do in this week. Okay, I'm not saying you write 1 or 200 words like an essay. I just want you just mention what did you do with caption. Okay, so let's continue the chapter 2, atmosphere. Today we'll be doing impact of global warming. Many human activities contributed to increase global warming. Okay, to increase greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, and the result of it is global warming. And the main reason is that huge amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Now, carbon dioxide is found in more quantity in our atmosphere. That is because of human activities. Now, impact of global warming. The melting of glaciers. Our earth is becoming hotter. That's why glaciers are melting. Glaciers are melting. The rise in sea level, and the result of this, what is happening? Sea level is rising. Glaciers melt, then where does it go? The water will flow in sea only, and the water level is increasing, threatening submergence of low-level coastal areas, low-level cities, islands and island countries. They are threatening. They are in danger. Okay, they are in danger. Areas, coastal areas, low-level coastal areas, low-level cities, because if you must have heard last week only we faced the coastal regions, Odisha and West Bengal. They faced a cyclone named Yash. Because of Yash, what happened? The areas, low coastal areas, low level coastal areas, they had to face many problems. Their homes were uh, drained by seawater. Low level cities in Mumbai, another cyclone 2 weeks before. What was that? Taute. Yes, Taute. The low level cities, there was water only. Everywhere there was water because of cyclone. Islands and islands country, they have to face these types of problem if the height is low. Okay, changes in global rainfall and snowfall pattern. Suddenly it starts raining because of global warming only. This thing is happening these days. Changes in agricultural yield. The change in weather affect the kind of crop that can be grown. Now, some more impact of global warming are increase in cases of skin cancer and other diseases, rise in discomfort level due to high temperature in summers, especially in tropical regions. In tropical regions, it is becoming hot, very hot in tropical regions. Use of more electric power by use of air conditioners in summer and room heaters in winters. Now, there is an information in page number 16, Geopedia. The world's northernmost settlement and home to what is known as the Doomsday Vault. This Geopedia. Okay. Doomsday Vault means where world's seeds are kept. A place where world's seeds are kept safe. The subterranean Svalbard Global Seed Vault, which stores specimens of almost all the world's seed, is believed to be the fastest warming location on Earth. There only, this is the place where world seeds are kept safely. Longyearbyen on the Norwegian island of Svalbard has had an average temperature of -7.8 degree in 1900. In 1900, there was average temperature -7.8 degrees Celsius. But okay, why these seeds are kept over there? A temperature of -18 degrees Celsius is required for the optimal storage of seeds, which are stored and sealed in custom made 3-ply foil packages. But since then, risen by 3.7 degrees Celsius. But in 1900, the temperature was average -7.8 degrees Celsius. But now 3.7 degrees Celsius, more than 3 times. Now the temperature is increasing there also. The global average rise of about 1 degree Celsius. It has thus become warmer as wetter. It has become warmer there. There also it is hot as well as wetter. When seeds preservation depends on stable temperature, first one, temperature should be stable, cold and stable, and bone dry condition. Bone dry condition means containing no moisture, but what is happening? There is moisture, wet moisture, also temperature is becoming hotter, not stable. 12 board is the ultimate fail safe. Fail safe means unable to fail. It was the perfect place to keep these seeds safely. But variety of seeds could kept safely. The vault was opened in 2008. Vault means chamber. Chamber used for storage was opened in 2008 and represents over 13,000 years of agricultural history and represents 13,000 years of years of agriculture history means seeds were kept safely. This is happening due to global warming, but in future we cannot say these seeds will be continually safe, kept safely. These seeds will be kept safely, okay, in future. This is happening due to global warming and as a matter of grave concern. Grave concern means very serious and important. This is very serious and important topic or issue. April 1st, 2019, 2 years before only this information was shared by Times of India. Okay. Now, ways to reduce global warming. Ways to reduce. How can we reduce global warming? Now, ways to reduce global warming. How do we reduce global warming? Ways are increase the forest cover area. We need to increase forest covered area by planting more trees and taking care of them. Planting of more trees, planting of trees for meeting some targets, as our government set target to plant trees, 1 lakh trees, 2 lakh trees we will plant in a week. That type of target and photo shoots, publicity is not sufficient. They are not enough. We have to plant more trees. We have to take some more steps for increasing number of trees. Now, next one, reduce vehicular emissions. Reduce vehicular discharges, like by reducing number of vehicles on road, use of public transport, electrically driven buses and cars, metro, sharing and pulling the vehicles. Sharing. If two people are going in the same way, they can share their vehicle. One day one person will take, another day another person. If 4 people are going in the same way, they can follow carpooling. One person will take car and take all another 3 people in his car. Another day another person will take. Okay, this is called what? Carpooling. Use of ethanol in place of petrol and diesel, etc. Ethanol means colorless, inflammable liquid which is produced by the natural fermentation of sugar. Now, third one, reducing the use of chlorofluorocarbon. Reducing, less use. Okay. Reducing the use of chlorofluorocarbon in refrigerator and air conditioner and replacing it by other eco-friendly gases. And number 4, use light emitting diode. Use light emitting diode, LED lights. We should use LED lights in place of bulbs, fluorescent tube light and compact fluorescent light. CFL, one LED bulb, it works for 1 or 2 years, so it saves your money and also run a long time. Encourage the use of bicycle in place of using vehicle run by fossil fuel. We should use bicycle for short distances. You also, if you are going nearby any person or any friend's house, you can use your bicycle. Okay. Using non-conventional energy source from solar power, windmills, nuclear power plants, etc. Not conventional energy resources means renewable energy resources we can use like wind energy, tidal energy, solar energy, okay, for generating electricity. In Geopedia, Norway and Europe aim to stop sales of all fossil fuel vehicle in 2025. They have targeted. Norway, a country of Europe, has targeted to stop running of all fossil fuel vehicle till 2025, exempting battery engines. In place of that, they are planning to use battery running vehicles. Also, another country, Iceland with 12%, Sweden with 6%, China and USA are way behind with 2.2% and 1.2% respectively. Okay, they are planning for this to reduce global warming. Another, Indian Railway has replaced all lights with LED lights almost on all railway stations in the country. This is one of the most effective eco-friendly ventures which will also save electric consumption and recurring expenditure on electricity bill. Okay, one more thing is given in Geopedia. You must read whatever is given in Geopedia. They will increase your knowledge. They will provide you extra knowledge, so you should read them. You will be amazed to know that Bhutan absorbs 3 times more carbon dioxide than it produces. Can you guess reason for this? Because Bhutan has planted 70% of the country is covered with trees. This large amount of tree cover has seen Bhutan becoming a carbon sink, means it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it produces. Yes class, you have to do exercises. Okay, exercise given in page number 19, exercise A, B, E, F. A, B, E, F in book. Okay, whenever you are told to do exercises in book, you have to do them also. They are very helpful. We cross-check them also. So you must do them. Okay, that's all for the day. Take care of yourself. Thank you.